Chez Satoshi for the love of crypto and coffee. On today's episode, I keep going with everything that's related to the Cosmos ecosystem, and I keep going like this. And I discovered today a project that I find it interesting to cover on this video is Dfinance. And my learning is I'm learning at the same time with you, and this is the way I love to do sponsoring my video. So Dfinance, the financial instrument protocol. I'm going to read that subtitle and then I'm going to make my formula of it, my introduction formula. Dfinance enables you to create and trade your own blockchain basis financial instrument with natural language tools. Pretty cool. I love the way, I love the this is something that is not very similar to everything that I see so far in the decentralized finance, and this is really cool, great graphic. So just before to keep going with Dfinance and the features on this video, I want you to take a couple of actions for this channel. The first one, it's subscribe right now, smash the like button with vibrant and powerful energy. Bing, 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 bing. Press bell notification, bing, 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 to get notified from Monday through Friday with great content of value. Everything at 9 a.m. Eastern Time, as well as spread the love about this great channel at the workplace, industry, at school. Thank you so much. You have all my gratitude if you take those actions right now. So let's go back to Dfinance. I'm interested to take some coffee. So I'm just going to read again the main titles. The financial instrument protocol. So what I find interesting to talk about this project is blockchain-based financial instrument with natural language tools. This is what I like. Blockchain-based financial instruments with natural languages tools. So if you really want to know once something happen or release, put your emails. You will know. Be first to know when we launch. This is not a project that is working. You can use as we speak. But this is something interesting. So just imagine something very at high level. Use our no-code tools to create financial instruments in minute. Create 100 shares of the most interesting thing of the moment on this moment. This is really cool. As you can see, you will just use as you wrote a document or blog post or an essay. So you can make the same thing to create your financial product with simple layer code. I want to create 2 banana or for trade silvers for banana. I'm just teasing you. But at high level, you can understand that that's the main benefit or the main goal of the vision of this project, Dfinance, that you use no codes to create your financial instrument. So the integration, that's the reason I discovered it, because the Cosmos network, my friend. So integrations. Dfinance integrates with a number of platform partners, enabling you to create universal financial instruments from DeFi to tokenized real-world assets. So the Libra Move, Cosmos, and Chainlink. What is Libra Move? Is Libra.org. So trade, but this is the reason I discovered this project, because it's listed on the Cosmos network. And this is the reason I'm talking a project that I found interesting. So trade. The Dfinance DEX enables you to build market for the assets you create and access assets created by the community and so on. So you can trade back and forth different assets listed on the DEX. So Bill, I need to take some coffee before to keep going. Bill, use the power of Dfinance and the robustness of the Move language to create low-level modules to build any instrument you can imagine. So at high level, I'm not quite sure how this thing is going to work. Say, hey, computer, please trade me $200 for, I don't know, for banana, for example, and you integrate that in the code. I'm not quite sure how this thing is going to work, but I believe it's something like that with I don't know if they're going to introduce a voice or you just need to tap the code. I'm not quite sure. So the latest development, the barrier 0.6 with staking and delegating. So as you can see, if you want to join the community, you just need to put your nice email and stay in touch with this project. Built and backed by the best. Dfinance is built by an experienced team of crypto experts, as you can see. So 4 people's work behind the scene of this project. So let's go back to, let's go back. Go jump to another great section about this project. Introduction. I'm just going to read these sections and then high levels the rest. So what is Dfinance high level? Dfinance is a truly decentralized infrastructure dedicated to various financial and DeFi instruments and products designed for people. Our infrastructure, on the one hand, adopts all the properties of a good blockchain. High transaction throughput with low latency, unconstrained scalability, granular security, and quite well-designed smart contract engine. On the other hand, it processes a simple and solid set of instruments to engage all your knowledge and financials on the way to success of your project. We proudly offer you to employ the Dfinance infrastructure to publish your ideas and focus on your aim. So as you can see, they have the consensus mechanisms, peg zone, Libra move language, decentralized oracles, powerful high-level visual language. This is really interesting concept. So let's go jump to the wallet section of the Dfinance. As you can see, you have the signing with an enigmatic phrase, Dfinance, a few clicks away from creating and trading using your own blockchain-based financial instrument. Pretty cool. So you just like what you see. I'm not quite sure how this thing. Signing with a Ledger wallet if you want. So this is really interesting. They have a D Explorer and D Market. I'm going to finish with the Dfinance block explorer. As you can see the current block, number of transactions. You can put your input and go see right away the transaction, like everything with the same kind of network like Ethereum. You put the transaction hash, and then boom, you get all the details about the transactions on this block explorers about different. But the concept is pretty interesting, I believe. So that's the reason I just introduced you, and I discovered this with the Cosmos network system. And what you need to remember is about a blockchain-based financial instrument with natural language tools. And then you're going to create the code with no-code tools to create financial instrument in minutes. That's the reason I decided to bring you this project to your attention. Don't forget, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just providing this information as an educational purpose, what I found interesting in the crypto spheres. So right now, my focus is on the Cosmos network, and I will keep going for a few weeks on this decentralized network, my friend. So in the meantime, I want you to take a couple of actions for this great channel, Crypto and Coffee. The first one is subscribe right now, smash the like button with vibrant and powerful energy. Ding, 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 ding. Press the bell notification, ding, 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 to get notified from Monday through Friday. And as well, spread the love about this great channel at your workplace, industry, at school. You have all my gratitude if you take those actions. See you on the next episode, and thank you to have watching until now. Bye-bye, and have a great day ahead.